Right, for this video, I'm building a new set of performance templates and the like around a product called Octomap. And what I was looking for was a load of effects that I could quickly take some inspiration from, nick from, copy from. Then I realised I had an absolute ton of them already in my library from PerforModule. It's actually a pack called One Knob Wonders. It's distributed as you see here, so it installs directly into your live browser under the pack section, and it's full of one knob wonders. Very simply put, a rack with one knob that you change, and within it there's some quite complex mappings and the like. So what Animus, the guy behind PerforModule, has done all the hard work, and you can pick and choose anything you like under the sections of distortion, filter, formant, whole instrument, mix and mastering, modulating, rhythmic, and performance and DJ and space. To make things easy for myself, what I've done is I've put each of the different packs into their own racks very simply. And if you see here, what we've done is all I've done is drop into the rack as many as up to 8, and within that, if I open here, simply put in the mapping, I've mapped the number 1 to number 1 and the on-off switch as well, which you can see here is set to a min of 1 and a max of 0, so that, as you'll see when I turn up this, it turns on as soon as the value of 1 is reached. So for the majority of the time, the effects in the rack are actually switched off. Now, in some of the effects, as you might see there, I have a mapping to the 8th macro. And in a few of the racks, there's a choice of mono or stereo on that 8th, or a dry wet control. So let's give these a little bit of a road test. I've got my Machine Jam here, and I'll use that here. Okay, so this is probably suited for it, so let's go to select this. Now, I don't know what each of these do, but I've opened the show hide info view. If I just hover over, turn up the knob to add a buttering of beefy bite to a bass part. Well, it's not really a bass part, more of a sort of old schooly lead. Let's see what it does. Nice bit of crunch and distortion in there, without losing too much of the original. And we got tone, which is the crispy crunch. Okay, W, one knob wonder. Ooh, when you get above that halfway point, that kicks in a dirty amp as opposed to the clean on the first half. I like that. That's really nice. We've got shred. I can only imagine what that does. Instant lead guitar tone. Yeah, I don't play guitars. But if I did, I'd be using the shred effect for sure. So that one actually steps through a cycle of tonal flavours. Vocal cream, subtle slathering of sweet sophistication to a vocal part. Well, my next clip is entitled Vocal. Nice little reverb, echo, delay-ish kind of thing going on there. And of course, I've got all of those as well, where I can do it in mono or stereo. Let's swap that across. Let's have a listen to DJ 1. Actually, let's drop that out. Look after this one. Beam drop. Twist it down to implement the beam drop filter. Okay, so that's in reverse. So what I need to do with that is go to the beam drop, flick that, flick it around that way. Lovely. Want consistency for all of these because I don't know where I'm going to be dropping them. Take control of that. Yeah, like that. Especially that middle way. Wonder what Breep does. And so adds in glitchy beat repeating. Oh, we always like a bit of that. Yeah, let's have the groove instead. Love that. Break freeze. Freeze is the moment you turn it above 0. Right, okay. One of those. Okay, so that one is one that we need to flick around, I think. Download, where is it? There we go. Flick that over. Oh, that's number 4. Right, what's Theta Green gonna do? A more amphibian take. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to give that one a miss. Still, I've got another 100 to go. Grackle. Juttery, stittery, more intense and more infrequent. Okay. Got little pings on that. That'd be good on just on a drum break, I think. Cool. As you can see, I have no idea what these are doing, so discover with me as we go. Ooh. Surf the ocean from any... Oh, that's a transition and a half, that. Love that. Stereo stretch, let's see. Faux scratching effect. Give that one a miss. Sitter. Oh, Stitler. Tickler. Use an inverted gating technique to add randomly glitchy echoes to only a portion of the audio based on transient. If left at maximum, free function. So kind of. Yeah, you can kind of play that one like that. Tube gate. What's it? Creates a clip in a gate effect by pushing tube bias hard. Okay. I love that. I'm making some notes as I go along here. I'll add the water fill. Yeah. Ooh, filters, let's give those a go. Now remember, in these, every single one of them, there's a ton of stuff going on with the racks, and loads of different mappings and values. I must have spent hours on these. Down filter, I'm guessing I've got going the wrong way. Oh. Let's do that again. Let's have that the other way. Bit down there. Oh. Alright, so that's a down filter clean, down filter dirty. Let's flick that around because I know it's going to be the wrong way. I like that. That's got that I'm standing in the other room at the club kind of vibe. The doors are closed. People are talking, you hear it coming over the bass. And it comes back to the drop just as you get it, and with a bit of a swoosh. Yeah, I can see how that's going to work. What about the phone filter? This is fade. The more you turn it on, the older the phone and worse the phone line. Well, I don't remember the last time I actually used a phone that wasn't a mobile. But that definitely sounds that way, doesn't it? That's a down and up filter. Let's take it out of the phone. Nice groove going on here. That's the up filter clean. Up filter dirty. Lovely. Let's have a look at these. What have we got here? Ooh. Got some evil looking stuff. Buzz track, an intro. Oh, non-melodic. I love that. Right, that's one of those that needs to be switched the other way round. Let's shift. Do it that way. I know it seems kind of illogical to make something go down in pitch as you turn a volume up, but I like everything to start at 0 when I'm banking through controls. If I'm not using a controller that's got LED rings or something like that. Shift up. Happy days. And Radiate Love, I'm intrigued by this. This one is, oh, high shelf. I'm not going to say it, but Animus, what you smoking at this point? Pull forth inner shimmers of upper dimensional resonance. I'll give it a go anyway. Like that. Oh. Now you may well have turned off by now. I'm having fun. Reverb type effect implanted you. Okay. Short delays. Yeah, that's cool. What's that? Short grain delays. Oh, like that. What's that sound like on the phone? Nice. Short pan delays. What's this one? Orchestral brass section. I haven't got one of those, and these are going to be for specific instruments. Drop that over onto this track. Let's get some modern rhythm. We've got here tube. Okay, so tube implements chords in a different way. Then we got the dub, da ba ba and da ba ba ba. So dub. Like that. Bigger. Big. Forever stressing. Forever stressing. Mad rhythm. Flanges. Forever stressing. I'm not even going to say that. Flazang, phasing flanger, flazanger. Okay. Oh my god, is that the Pioneer effect? Oh, with some crunch at the end. Gotta say thanks to my boys Mitchell Chalice and Mo Ajir. Dug these tracks out there SoundCloud a while ago. Got to say thanks. Oops. Final one. Air. Well, let's see what we got anyway. Air. Subliminal touch of room ambience. Does. That's nice. Corello. That's nice. A little bit of thickness on the tape flange. Thorus, metallic wet chorusing becomes much more intense if the knob is above halfway. Careful when we go above halfway, basically. Oh, dark. Awesome.